we? We did that in the first time.
Meanwhile, back at the
Where's
ranch.
that big screwdriver gone?
That lies, Clarrie. Whoa! Alright, oh, a bit. That's a better angle, still a bit more to cut. That's a bit better. We've got some pushback now. You've got to go up a bit, John, at the back. It's not. And come this way, so it's not really steady. Come on in. Steady. That's pulled the crossets forward, That's it.
No legs on there, John, will you?
Got the blocks under there?
Well, I thought they were.
That's it. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Are they still there?
Yeah. Yep, it's still there. Yeah.
No, we can put the crosshead in now.
Oh, yeah, free of that better. You put a brake on, didn't you? Yeah, I pulled it back on. That's it, it's dropped on now.
Yeah, so not so far out now. If I can find the hole. Which I can't for the moment.
Must be right, because this one's gone home.
It's got to be jacked up a bit. Now where's it? Jacked.
And pushed to one side is Clarrie's old twin Morgan.
Half-inch gap there at the moment.
The one he completely rebuilt many years ago with an alloy body.
Because there's a big gap on there.
Everything was made by him, including that back panel, all the wiring, everything else. He even got Morgan and Super Sports on the luggage rack. This is the cockpit. Recovered the steering wheel with the same material as the upholstery.
Down, that's it. You should be able to get in there. It's got to go in a bit, this. Yeah, well, there.
Oh, the hole was there.
Down and that's. Yeah, down on this.
If we get the
down, and that's on the chassis. No, touch more. I can sight it. Go on, touch more. So that's it, you'll get in there. The belt. Where's the belt? You'll get in there now, straight through.
Put
the bolt straight in.
That's right, but don't shift anything. I was just putting it in last time and go fitting
down
it
the other side.
Ah, the brake. Brake's in the way now.
Can you put your bar in that front one, John, and let him put it in the further one back so it's easier to get his hand from it? You're nearly there, Clarrie.
No, I am. It's just that the brake rod's in the way at the moment. I can't get my fingers in it properly.
That's it. A wiggle. I'll give a wiggle here, one on. Keep pushing, Clarrie. You're nearly there.
That's it.
You're in. That's it.
Now you're putting that on there, we can do it. Which one is it? Which one is it?
You've got to go up. You nearly touched it then. Up, up. Down. You're too low, Clarrie.
Well, that's where the hole is, this side.
Oh,
there's another one there. There's another hole.
That's the one. That's the
another
one.
hole there, yeah. I was going in another hole below. Another hole below.
I was going to say, I knew there was.
There's a couple of holes there.
You are saying that one.
Probably shouldn't be there.
Yeah, you might have put. Oh, because you can't put something handle in it.
So, yeah, can I?
You got no pulley. Got no pulley.
Well, I can put a what's name on it, spanner. Put the starting dog on and put a spanner on it, can't I?
Yeah.
Turn the engine.
Yeah.
I can soon take this off and put the pulley on later. That's easy.
Then we're dead in line then properly, aren't we?
Oh yeah, if we put the starting handle
They give us an extra line up. Yeah. As well.
Fiddle with that later then. For the Right, now I've got the handle in now.
Oh, well it ain't square though yet.
No.
It's moved forward a bit as well.
Yeah, we'll put something on it now.
That's it. I think you're nearly gone, Clarrie, you know? Just a bit of a wind that.
Could you hold that one turn the handle?
On it. I think it's on this jack, John.
It's a bit high.
Yeah. Take a bit of weight, John, so I can pull the jack out the side. Right, that's it.
Something went. How's the back for height?
I don't think it's alright. Let's have hold this, John, for a minute.
Go on, tell.
I've got
You
this.
I think the back is too high actually.
You reckon you want me to let a bit off?
That's all.
Go that way, that's it.
The back end is a bit higher for you.
We're home. It's home now.
Oh, will you?
Yeah, dropped in. Where'd the exhaust clamp go? Oh, in the box, John. In the box there? Yeah, it's in the box. Oh, yeah. I've got that there. Is there the exhaust clamp? I've still got a bit of weight on the oyster, Clarrie. Do you want me to drop it?
You can take it all off now.
All of it?
Yeah, I got the weight. The block under the front.
Yeah, we've left the block on because it's got to have the crossbar put on, John. Oh, yeah. Is it all slack now?
The boat's safe now, I got some bolts in there.
Okay. Yeah. That's tight here.
And what I got is a dowel, I got to knock the dowel in now.
Biggest one. That's a bloke, isn't it? Hello, something appeared, the bush dropped out. Oh well. There's a novelty. You're going to have no trouble getting your steering bush out anyhow, Clarrie. Of course, we can turn it round the other way, might turn it out. It might.
What's the matter?
The bush suddenly appeared at the bottom here when we were tightening it up. The bush suddenly appeared out here. That's that tightened on. Is that on top or underneath?
Well, I'll have to reset the corner of the wheel.
Oh yeah, of course.
So leave it now.
Yeah, of course.
Well, here we are again, only today is the 21st of August. We're at Clarrie's once again, and you will notice that the one on the left is the broken one that came out of Clarrie's Morgan, and the one on the right is a standard one. Clarrie, having broken the one on the left, put in a standard one, quite forgetting that he'd modified it to be longer to fit his special engine, so that after all that work, the following day he found he hadn't got a clutch that worked, had to take it all out and put a modified sleeve in, so all that work had to be done again.